Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change your status in Outlook. So if you want to change your status into appearing you as busy in Outlook, then you need to follow these steps. There are two methods in doing this. First is you either can change it in your calendar or you can also change it in your Teams. So starting off with the Outlook, you can set your busy or you have an event in the calendar. To do that, you need to go to your calendar and in the Home tab, you will find New Items. Click on it. And from this drop down menu, go to Meetings. A new dialog box will appear. Here, you need to set time for your event. So I will start my time on Monday, then I will end the time to, let's say, Friday. And you need to select this all day option and you need to go to show as free. You need to click on busy and you just need to click on send. It will ask you there is no recipient. You just need to click on yes. And here you have set yourself busy in these days. Anyone who looks up to you for any events or anything on your calendar, then they will see that you're busy on these days. So next one is to set yourself busy in Teams. For that, you need to open your Teams and make sure you're logged into the same account as your Outlook. And now what you need to do is click on your profile at the top right corner and you will see this available or something like that. You just need to click on it and press busy or any other options in this drop down menu. So here on set status message, you can also type anything like you're busy until this, you will be right back, or something like that. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.